Winter air is dry, cold, and lacks humidity. Indoor heater strips moisture from the skin. The results cracked, dry, and flaky skins. But here, where glycerin comes in the picture, it's a game changer. Glycerin is also known as a glycerol. It is derived from plant oils or animal fats. It's a humectant. It draws moisture from the air, and it's emollient. It helps soften and smooth the skin. So how does glycerin works? It's magic on dry winter skin. It attracts water, the outer layer of the skin. That helps to hydrate the skin from within, plumping it up and reducing the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Glycerin also plays a crucial role in maintaining skin natural barrier function. Healthy skin barrier is essential for preventing moisture loss and protects against the irritants. By strengthening the barriers, glycerin helps keep the skin hydrating and healthy even in harsh winter conditions. Another benefits of glycerin is its ability to soothe irritated skin. Glycerin has anti-inflammatory properties which can be beneficial for calming redness and irritant caused by dryness or harsh weather. It can also help to promote wound healing. Here are some tips for incorporating glycerin into your winter skincare routine. Look for it in your moisturizer. A glycerin-based moisturizer can help to block moisture and keep your skin hydrated throughout the day. Use a glycerin-rich cleanser. Gentle cleanser containing glycerin can help clean the skin without stripping away its natural oil. Try a glycerin-based serum or mask. These products can provide an extra boost to the hydrating and helps the skin's texture. Glycerin is generally well tolerated by most skin types. Sensitive skin, always good idea to do a patch test before any new products if you have any sensitive skin or are prone to allergies. While glycerin is fantastic hydrating, it's most effective when combining with other moisturizer ingredients such as occlusive. Occlusives like petroleum or dimethicone help to create a barrier on the skin surface, preventing moisture from escaping. Using a moisturizer that combines humectants like glycerin with occlusive will give you the best results to combating winter dryness. So there you have it. Glycerin is a true winter skincare. Its ability to draw moisture, strengthen the skin barrier, and soothe the irritated makes it an invaluable ingredient for keeping your skin healthy and hydrated all season long. Let me know your favorite glycerin based product in the comments below.